Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Overview or Recent screen. This immediately shows active and recent apps. Make sure your device is unlocked and screen stays awake. Once the carousel is visible, locate the exact app card you want to close and note if it's a split screen or persistent app. You'll act on that card next, so take a quick glance to confirm it's the right app and understand whether it's playing audio, using location, or showing notifications. You now remove the app card. Swipe it off the screen, up or sideways depending on your launcher, to stop its UI and most background activity. If the app is pinned or persistent, tap its icon on the card to reveal options and unpin or close from there. Once removed, Android typically labels it as no longer in use, which reduces background tasks. If you suspect it still runs, make sure to open Settings and go to Apps to check background permission and battery usage next. After closing, verify the app is inactive by checking Settings, Apps the specific app, and viewing battery or background activity. This tells you if it still consumes resources. If it reappears, force stop it and clear cache to reset its background processes. Make sure the app isn't set to auto start or has special permissions. Change those if necessary. If problems persist, reboot the device to flush remaining processes, then test again to confirm the background app is fully closed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.